Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Market Cipher and LuxAlgo, two prominent trading view indicator suites. Whether you're into crypto, forex or stocks, these tools promise to give you an edge. Let's explore which of these platforms is best for crypto and forex. We start with Market Cipher. It's a comprehensive suite of indicators designed to provide traders with actionable insights. It's hosted on TradingView and comprises four main components. Market Cipher A. It offers real-time signals like blood diamonds and yellow X's to indicate potential market reversals or manipulations. Market Cipher B. It's an oscillator combining multiple algorithms to identify market momentum, highlighting potential entry and exit points with signals like the green dots. Market Cipher SR. Support and resistance. It focuses on support and resistance levels, integrating volume-weighted average price for intraday trading strategies. And Market Cipher DBSI. Dual Band Strength Index. It's a momentum indicator that scores market strength on a scale from -5 to 34, helping traders gauge bullish or bearish tendencies. Beyond the tools, Market Cipher emphasizes community and education, offering resources to help traders understand and utilize their indicators effectively. On the other hand, LuxAlgo brands itself as a next-generation trading toolkit. Also integrated with TradingView, LuxAlgo offers price action concepts that automate the detection of market structures, order blocks, and other price action elements. Signals and overlays. They provide real-time buy or sell signals, trend confirmations, and customizable overlays to suit various trading styles. Oscillator Matrix. It's a tool to gauge market momentum and potential reversals. An AI backtesting assistant. An AI-driven feature that helps traders backtest strategies and optimize them based on historical data. LuxAlgo also boasts a vibrant community of over 150,000 traders. The community exists on Discord. This offers a platform for collaboration and shared learning. Now let us talk about the main features of each of the platforms. We'll start with Market Cipher. In short, Market Cipher's strength lies in the simplicity and clarity that it provides. The indicators are designed to be straightforward, providing clear signals without overwhelming the trader. The integration of multiple algorithms into singular indicators like Market Cipher B allows for a consolidated view of market momentum. As for LuxAlgo, it leans into customization and adaptability. With features like the AI backtesting assistant, traders can tailor strategies to their preferences and test them against historical data. The modular design of LuxAlgo's toolkits means traders can pick and choose features that align with their trading style. Now let us talk about the pricing of each. First, Market Cipher. Market Cipher offers three major pricing plans. There's a professional plan, a 12-month subscription that is currently discounted at $600. There's a lifetime plan that does not expire and you can currently buy at $1,500. And of course, there's an enterprise plan for small team brokerages to Wall Street hedge funds that have hundreds of trade desks. To get the pricing for this, you have to contact Market Cipher. Both plans include all four indicators and access to their community resources. As for LuxAlgo, it provides two basic plans, the Premium plan and the Ultimate plan. The Premium plan at $39.99 per month and the Ultimate plan of $59.99 per month. And of course, that's a discounted one because it's on the yearly subscription. If you prefer to do it monthly, the cost is going to be on the higher side. LuxAlgo also offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, allowing traders to test the platform risk-free. Now let's head on to the pros and cons of using these platforms. First, Market Cipher, the pros. It is clear and straightforward. The signals are very clear and straightforward. Comprehensive suites covering various aspects of trading. And there's strong emphasis on community and education. And the pros of LuxAlgo: highly customizable toolkits, AI-driven backtesting for strategy optimization, an active and large trading community. How about the cons? For Market Cipher, higher upfront cost, especially for the lifetime plan, less customizable compared to some competitors. And LuxAlgo, some users have reported issues with customer support. Well, this is not always the case, and the plethora of features might be overwhelming for beginners. So here's the million-dollar question: which is best for crypto and forex? Choosing between Market Cipher and LuxAlgo largely depends on your trading style and your preferences. If you value straightforward, easy-to-interpret signals and prefer a one-time payment model, Market Cipher might be the better fit. Its indicators are designed to provide clear guidance without the need for extensive customization. Conversely though, if you're a trader who likes to tweak and optimize strategies, LuxAlgo's customizable toolkit and AI features offer a more flexible approach. The platform's emphasis on adaptability makes it suitable for traders who want to tailor their tools to specific market conditions. For crypto traders, both platforms offer valuable insights. And in the forex realm, LuxAlgo's multi-time frame analysis and backtesting capabilities might provide an edge, especially for those who rely on technical analysis and strategy optimization. And that's it on the review between Market Cipher and LuxAlgo. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore TradingView, AutoChartist, and TrendSpider. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.